Hey everyone, how you doing? Me, Tim. I'm here in Battle Creek, Michigan. And I'm at a park called Woodland Nature Preserve here in Battle Creek, Michigan. It's a beautiful park, real nice. It's out like in the country. Beautiful, beautiful. It's 80 acres. But the thing that really bugs me to death is why isn't there very much people out here taking a walk? Yeah, I see it's a nice, beautiful day out. Hot and humid. Yeah, hot and humid. And I'm sure a lot of people are at the lake, the beach, or at their swimming pool, or at work. Well, what about the ones that don't work? Where are they at? Don't they enjoy doing things like going out for walks? And yeah, it's summertime. Well, really springtime. Summertime should be coming pretty soon, in a couple days. You can tell. And look at that path, nobody walking. You look on that path, nobody walking. It's just so sad that you got a beautiful place for people to come out and take a walk, but you don't see it full like any other park around town. And very, very sad. And I know it's not a typical park like the ones in the inner city, but still it's a park for people to come out and enjoy and take a walk. You know, bring your kids. Yeah, I understand that'd be hard to push a stroller. If you could tell, on a grass trail, but still, get out here, people, get out here and take a walk. You know, it's just so sad that just don't see very much people out here. It's just so sad not to see very much people out for a walk. And you could tell, God, it's a beautiful day. It's wonderful. Not a cloud in the sky. You know, I just do not believe, just can't believe why the heck nobody enjoys coming out to this beautiful park. It's nice. It's beautiful. I enjoy coming out here. The reason why I enjoy coming out here because I see a lot of deer. Yes, I've got a lot of deer videos up for a lot of you to watch from here, from this park that I'm at right now. Yeah, I enjoy putting up a lot of deer videos. That's why I come out here and take a walk, because sometimes if you're walking on these trails that I'm on right now, you get to see deer and a lot of other wildlife out here. The only thing you don't get to see is raccoons, skunks, possums, or coyotes, or mountain lions. But yeah, you get to see a lot of deer. I just want to know if anybody's watching from Battle Creek, Michigan, why don't you come out here? What are you afraid of? You know, it's not a bad place. It's good. I enjoy it. I enjoy coming out here. Peace and quiet. A lot of peace and quiet out here. You know, they're talking about putting like a deck or something that people can walk out over the water and check it out. And some of you that are watching are from Battle Creek. You know, I encourage you and bring your families out here. Help support this park. Yes, help support it. And that's what I would like to see people do. You know, it's a real nice park. Yeah, I understand it's summertime and a lot of people are on vacation or just out camping. I'm encouraging anybody that's watching from Battle Creek, Michigan, that's on YouTube, please come out here to the Woodland Nature Preserve. It's over here between Gethings and Helmer Road. Give it a try. Bring your video cameras. Or bring a camera. Because I'm sure you'll see a lot of deer. I've gotten a lot of good pictures of deer out here. Very good pictures of deer. Standing on the trails. Oh yeah, standing on the trails. Now, when was it? Just last week I was out here taking a walk. And over on the other side of the park, I got to see a mother and her little fawn. You'll get to see a lot of things like that out here, where you ain't gonna see that in a inner city park. So I'm encouraging some of you from Battle Creek that are watching this, please come out here. Take a walk. Give it a chance. Get out here and enjoy the wildlife, nature, this beautiful scenery. Because you know, if you don't, someday somebody's gonna look at this and take a survey. I mean a survey to see how many people do come out and take a walk here at the Woodland Nature Preserve here in Battle Creek, Michigan. And I know that will happen. I don't want to see this area full of homes. I want to see this as a park. So please, anybody out there from Battle Creek, Michigan watching this, I'm encouraging you to let your neighbors, your friends, your co-workers pass along to your other families to get out here and start using this park. It's a beautiful, beautiful park. I mean, boy, it's beautiful. You know, they got benches to sit on. You know, they got trails to walk on or hike on. Got a lot of trails. A lot of them. So please, anybody watching this from Battle Creek, get out here and take a walk.